Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have an October 2010 Suzuki Kizashi. This shape runs from 12th March 2009 till current. It has a J24B 2.4 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2.4 J24B engine. This vehicle has sustained damage to the left-hand side of the car. Bonnet is in good condition, as is the grille. Bar is in great condition as well. Left-hand gas xenon headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch mags. Here's the left-hand front. Has good tyre. Left-hand electric door mirror. Non-indicator type. Both the left-hand front, left-hand rear doors have sustained serious damage due to the accident. Left-hand rear factory 18-inch mag with good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Boot is in good condition, didn't sustain any damage in the accident. We have the rear bar with sensor type in good condition. Right hand tail light. Right hand rear factory 18-inch mag with good tyre. Right hand rear door doesn't appear to have any damage. Right hand front door has a couple of damage codes but still in good condition. Right hand front electric mirror, non-indicator type. Right hand front factory 18-inch mag with good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with factory black leather interior. There's the center console with console lid, handbrake, automatic transmission control, automatic transmission shifter. There we have the factory 6-stack CD player. Left-hand sun visor, interior light with sunglass holder, interior mirror. Right hand side sun visor. Here we have a factory 3-spoke steering wheel with your cruise and audio controls. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.